Andre lost his car at 4 in the morning. Maya kept hers. Both stopped making the payment 3 months ago. Same Honda Civic, same lender, same 7-year loan. But only Andre got the tow truck. He thought the repo would be the end of it. Take the hit. Credit score in the dirt. Move on. Then the letter came. $4,837.59. Still owed. And here's the part Andre doesn't know yet. Maya is about to lose $4,000 more. And she's not even getting a car. They're both wrong about what just happened. When you stop making car payments, 3 things happen. And only one of them is the part everyone knows. First, the repo. The lender sends a tow truck and drives your car away. Second, the part nobody mentions. They sell it, at auction, for way less than you owe. Andre's Honda bought at auction for $9,000. He still owed $18,000. That gap has a name. It's called the deficiency balance. And legally, you still owe it. Plus fees, plus interest, plus repo costs. Andre's $4,800 is the auction shortfall, plus the tow bill, plus 30 days of penalty interest. Third, the lender doesn't even try to collect. They sell the deficiency to a junk debt buyer for 4 cents on the dollar. Bruno's company paid less than $200 for Andre's $4,800 debt. $200 to buy, $4,800 to demand, 24 times return if even one person pays in full. That's the playbook. The car's gone. The lender wrote off the loss, but the debt, the deficiency, that paper just keeps moving down the food chain until it lands on someone like Andre. Now the second letter comes. It's not from the lender anymore. It's from Bruno. Bruno is a debt collector. His company buys deficiency balances by the thousand. His script has 3 moves. Move 1, call you, demand the full amount, use words like immediately and today, and before this escalates. That's what he does to Maya, who also missed payments but never lost her car. Yet, she's 8 days behind. Bruno calls before the lender even files the repo paperwork. He's calling her because he already bought the eventual deficiency from the lender. He's pre-collecting on a debt that doesn't fully exist yet. 3 problems with that. 1. Under FDCPA Section 1692E, false representation of the character, amount, or legal status of a debt is illegal. Maya's deficiency isn't real yet because there's no auction shortfall to calculate. 2. Under Section 1692C, Bruno called Maya at 9 p.m. That's after the 8 p.m. federal cutoff. Illegal call number 1. 3. And this is the move that makes the entire script collapse. Bruno can't actually prove he owns Maya's debt. Junk buyers get the spreadsheet. They don't get the contract. They don't get the chain of title. They don't get the original signed paper. And the law has a specific procedure for forcing them to produce all of it. Maya doesn't know any of this. What she knows is Bruno just said he'll add $400 in fees if she doesn't agree to a payment plan today. Right now. On the phone. So she does what most people do. She agrees to $200 a month until paid in full. In one phone call, Maya just did 3 things that cost her thousands. 1. She verbally acknowledged a debt she had no obligation to acknowledge yet. The FDCPA puts the burden of proof on the collector. Maya just took that burden off Bruno. 2. She restarted the statute of limitations. In her state, an unpaid debt becomes legally uncollectible after 4 years. Maya's clock was already 2 years in. By agreeing to pay, she reset that clock to 0. She just bought Bruno 2 extra years. 3. She committed to $200 a month, $2,400 a year, on a debt Bruno cannot prove he legally owns. By the time Maya makes her 6th payment, she'll have paid Bruno more than Bruno paid for her entire debt. He's already in profit, and she still owes the rest. That's the trap. Andre gets a letter, not a call. Same company, same Bruno. But Andre's letter is the initial communication, the first written notice. That timing changes everything. Under FDCPA Section 1692G, when a collector sends you the initial notice, you have 30 days to dispute the debt in writing. If you do, and they receive your letter inside that window, the collector must stop all collection activity until they provide full validation. Validation means the original signed contract, the chain of title from lender to buyer, the auction records showing the actual sale price, the fee breakdown, proof Bruno's company has the legal right to collect. Andre downloads a validation letter from debtdefensekit.co. He fills in 3 fields: his name, the debt amount, the date of the notice. The letter does the rest. It cites the statute. It demands the documents. He mails it certified. Return receipt requested. Bruno's company has 30 days to respond. Here's the part that should blow your mind. In 70% of cases involving junk debt buyers, the collector cannot produce the documents. Bruno's company bought spreadsheets, remember? Not contracts. 30 days go by. No response. Andre owes nothing. 90 days later, Bruno's company files a lawsuit against Andre for the full $48,37.59 plus costs. Andre shows up with 3 pieces of paper. 1. A copy of his validation letter with the certified mail receipt showing delivery on day 14. 2. A written statement that Bruno's company never responded. No contract, no chain of title, no auction records. 3. A 1-page motion citing FDCPA Section 1692 GB, the exact language. Collection of the debt or any disputed portion thereof shall cease until the debt collector obtains verification of the debt and a copy of such verification is mailed to the consumer. Judge Reyes reads it. He asks Bruno's attorney one question. Counsel, do you have the original contract for the underlying car loan? The attorney doesn't. The chain of title showing how your client acquired this debt? The attorney doesn't. The auction records establishing the deficiency balance? The attorney doesn't. Case dismissed. With prejudice, meaning Bruno's company can never sue Andre on this debt again. Total time, 94 days. Total cost, 1 stamp and a printed letter. Meanwhile, Maya is still paying her $200 a month. So if you're somewhere in the middle of Andre's story, or Maya's, here are the 3 moves that change everything. 1. Don't acknowledge anything in writing or on the phone. Not to make it go away. Not to set up a payment plan. Not to see what you can work out. Every word you give a collector is leverage they didn't have a minute ago. 2. Send a validation letter within 30 days of the first written notice. The exact language matters. The certified mail receipt matters. The timing matters. Free letter generator at debtdefensekit.co. Link in the description. 3. If they sue you, show up. Bring the validation letter. Bring the certified mail receipt. Bring the 1692G motion. Most cases dismiss in under 15 minutes. That's the entire playbook for surviving a car repo deficiency, and it works on more than just car debt. There's life after debt. Andre's case took 94 days, 1 stamp, and a printed letter to make $4,837.59 disappear permanently. Yours can too. The free validation letter generator at debtdefensekit.co handles the exact letter Andre used. Plug in your details. Mail it certified. Wait 30 days. If your case is further along, already sued, being garnished, owe more than $5,000. The full Debt Defense Kit at debtdefensekit.co/kit has the 10-letter sequence, court motion templates, and the exact scripts Diana and Andre used. $67. One time. Subscribe.